Good morning, children. Let's continue with the lesson Economy and Occupation. Now, in the previous session, we had discussed about the primary activities in India like agriculture, fishing, and mining. Okay, today we'll continue with this lesson here. We are going to discuss industries in Brazil. Okay, now here the major industries which are seen in Brazil include iron and steel production, automobile assembly, okay, that is production of automobiles and the assembly, then petroleum processing, then we have chemical production and cement making. Now, then technology based industries have been the most dynamic in the recent years. Okay, so industries which are based on technology have been you know uh, dynamic in the recent years, but at the same time it has not been just it has not pushed out the traditional industries. Then we have food processing industries. Now, industries producing sugar, then then apart from that, we have also cotton textiles. Then we have silk and woolen industries, and these have developed very well in Brazil. And if you look at the concentration of industries in Brazil, you find it is mostly concentrated along the south and southeast part of Brazil. And the northeast part of Brazil is very, very poor when it comes to, concentration of industries, but it has started to attract new investment. Okay, now this is the logo of some of our industries here. Okay, so can you see? This is ONGC, oil and natural gas. Okay, then we have the second one. Okay, the Vizag steel plant. Okay, then this is RA, okay, Chittaranjan Locomotive Works, then RCF, okay, this is the Central Silk Board, then we have KVIC, okay, then the Maharashtra Agro Industries Development Corporation. Now, so what is this ONGC? Now, ONGC stands for Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, and it is the largest oil and natural gas exploration and production company. The next is we have RINL. RINL stands for Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited, and this is also called as a Vizag steel plant. The next, of course, all of you are familiar with is RA. RA is a dairy industry, okay, production of milk, okay, and milk products. The next one is CLW. CLW is Chittaranjan Locomotive Works, okay, and it is a state-owned electric locomotive manufacturing company and is one of the largest locomotive manufacturers. Okay, so it manufactures locomotives. Okay, so you have engines, then you have bogies, okay, train compartments, that is, okay, all these are manufactured by Chittaranjan Locomotive Works, okay, and it is one of the largest locomotive manufacturers. The next is MAIDC, that is Maharashtra Agro Industries Development Corporation Limited. And MAIDC makes available to farmers. Okay, so farmers, of course, need seeds, then they need pesticides, they need fertilizers. Okay, apart from that, they also need implements. Okay, to carry on agricultural activity like say tractors. Okay, then animal feed. Okay, all these are made available to the farmer at affordable price by the MAIDC. The next one is CSB. CSB stands for Central Silk Board, And Central Silk Board deals with silk production. Next one is KVIC. KVIC is Khadi and Village Industries Commission, and this is related to Khadi villages. Okay, production of Khadi, its export, okay, and all this related work. Next one is RCF. RCF is Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited, and it is one of the leading producers of fertilizers in India. That is RCF. Now here we have a this is a table here which shows the industries and how they are classified and the raw materials that these industries produce. Okay, so let's start with the industry. MIDC is the industry and it comes under agro-based industry here. Okay, now here it manufactures seeds, then you have raw materials, okay, uh, fertilizers, pesticides, etc. The next one is CSB, then we have KVIC, RA, etc. Okay, so okay, then CSB is Central Silk Board. Okay, then we have KVIC's Khadi Industries, then we have RA. Okay, so all these are concerned with production of silk, cotton, then you have wool, milk, etc. And these come under animal product based industries. Next one is ONGC. Now ONGC, the raw materials which are produced by this are crude oil and natural gas, and ONGC is mineral and metal based industry. Then RINL. RINL produces steel. Okay, again, it is a metal based industry. Then next is CLW. CLW, Chittaranjan Locomotive Works. Okay, it produces iron and steel, various metals, okay, locomotives, etc. Okay, again, it is a metal based industry. Then we have RCF. Okay, then the raw materials used here are coal and limestone. Okay, and it is used for the production of fertilizers. Again, it's a mineral based industry. Okay, so children, I hope you have understood the classification of these industries, as well as you have, I think you have also understood the industries which are seen in Brazil. Okay, we'll continue with the session, okay, where we will do industries which are seen in India. Okay, till then, thank you.